Here's how to fix creator account can't be private on Instagram. Now, if you're on Instagram and you're getting this pop-up error message that says essentially you cannot make your account private, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the Instagram app here. And first, we're going to tap on the profile button at the bottom right. Now, you can see I have professional dashboard indicating that I have a creator account. I can tap on the three lines at the top right here. And then if I scroll down to account privacy and I turn this on and hit switch to private, you can see it says creator account can't be private. If you want to make your account private, first you have to switch back to a personal account. So essentially, if you have either a business or a creator account, a professional account, that you cannot set your account to private, you need to switch it to a personal account first. So to do that, let's just go back here. And then we're going to scroll to the very top. And from here, you can see under for professionals is creator tools and controls. Tap on that. Now from here, let's scroll to the very bottom here. And you can see switch account type towards the bottom. Now we just need to hit switch to personal account and switch to personal account. And just like that, you've converted your creator account over to personal. And now I'll show you that it works. I can tap on account privacy and I can toggle this on and switch my account to private. And just like that, it works. I can review my followers, kick some followers off if I don't necessarily want them on there. But now any content that I have on Facebook or on Instagram will not be visible to any of my followers. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.